Good morning to all. Today we will go for the important and very crucial subject matter, that is transistor configurations and connections. Before this class, you have acknowledged all about the constructional and structural details of a transistor. So now I am going to deliberate to you about how the transistor will be connected in a circuit to perform EDC job work. So as you know, a transistor has three terminals, but you need two supplies. Hence, four terminals to connect the transistor in a circuit. Therefore, one transistor of the one terminal of the transistor is kept common. That means will be in grounded mode, and this arrangement gives us the three connections or configuration for a transistor. The input is given between the common terminal, that means the ground terminal, and one of the two other terminals. Similarly, the output is obtained between the common terminal and the left out third terminal. But remember that for satisfactory operation in all the configurations, the input is to be forward biased and output side is to be reverse biased. This is more important. The input terminal or input side of the transistor should be always remain in forward biased, and the output side or output junction of the transistor is to be remain in reverse bias condition. That should be remembered. Okay? Any doubt? Okay. If you go look at the slide, if you go for the connection system or configuration system of a transistor, as you know, I am going to differentiate the connectional system of a transistor in the circuit, and you will find there are three main configuration or connection systems of a transistors are used whenever we will go for the connection of the transistor in the circuit. First is the common base configuration और कनेक्शन, इसको बोला जाएगा और बोला जाता है सीपी कनेक्शन. सीपी मतलब कॉमन बेस कनेक्शन और कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. सेकंड मेथड इज कॉमन एमिटर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन और C configuration or connections of a transistor. And the third method, how you can enable to connect the transistor in the circuit by using the third method, that is common collector configuration, or in abbreviated it is spelled out like CC configuration system of a transistor. So by using these three methods, you will be able to connect the transistor in a circuit. Again, I am repeating the three methods, that is common base configuration or connection, abbreviated by CB configuration or connection, common emitter configuration or abbreviated by C configuration or connection, and third method, that is common collector configuration, or what you call it as a CC configuration or connection. And among the three methods you are using to connect a transistor in a circuit, widely common emitter configuration system of a transistor is used. It is why? Because it possesses a lot of advantages or merits. जैसे तुम लोग को पता है, ट्रांजिस्टर जब कनेक्शन होगा सर्किट में, इसका फंक्शन क्या होगा, फंक्शन कैसे कर रहे हैं, इसको देखना पड़ेगा. तो जब फंक्शन को देखना पड़ेगा, तो अमंग द थ्री कॉमन एमिटर और जिसको बोला जाता है सी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन और कनेक्शन सिस्टम में वोल्टेज गेन अच्छा पाएगा, करंट गेन अच्छा पाएगा. तो इलेक्ट्रिकल कॉन्सेप्ट में अब तुम लोग को पता है, करंट, वोल्टेज, पावर एंड रेजिस्टेंस, these are the parameters which are remain in the electricity or which can combine to form the term electricity. So, is why we are using widely the common emitter configuration or connection system of amplifier, because it has both current and voltage gain. So today I am going to deliberate or discuss all about the common base or CB configuration system of a amplifier. Okay? Understand? Any doubt regarding on that matter? Any doubt? Student? Okay. So we'll go for a common base configuration system of amplifier, and we will see how by using this system the transistor will be connected in a circuit. Let's see common base configuration system of a amplifier. So I am already stated transistor has a commonly three terminals, but to feed the input supply, two terminals are required, and to obtain the output, two terminals are required. So how it is possible? It is possible one terminal will be remain when in common mode or grounded mode the transistor will be connected in the circuit, and that common terminal or ground terminal will be served as the input terminal when serve as the input junction when connected with the input terminal of the transistor, and also serve as the output junction when will be connected at the output terminal of the transistor. So let's see the common base configuration में क्या होता है, कैसे कनेक्ट होता है. So in this method, the base is made common or ground. Common means ground. And here, as you know, transistor has two junction. What are they? क्या है? एक है बेस टू एमिटर जंक्शन और इसको बोला जाता है, और दूसरा में एमिटर टू बेस, एंड अनदर है collector to base or a base to collector junction. And as you know, whenever a transistor will operate, you must remember, whenever the forward bias will be given to the input junction of the transistor, that is the base to emitter or emitter to base, and the output junction, that means the collector to base, or you may say it as a base to collector junction is in reverse bias condition. The transistor will be operated and obtain the output. So in this method, the base is made common, and how the two junctions will remain or will be connected in the circuit. Here the emitter base, or that means the base and emitter is forward bias, and which acts as the input side. I have already told you. And similarly, the collector base junction is in reverse bias, which acts as the output side. I had already narrated. So then see इस डायग्राम, तो इसको लेकर डायग्राम कैसे आएंगे इसको हम देखेंगे, टेस्ट करेंगे ऐसा है आज पर द स्टेटमेंट और नहीं. ओके स्टूडेंट समझा रहे? अंडरस्टूड? ओके. So let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Can you visualize? Okay. So see, this is the circuit diagram or connection system of a transistor by using the CP mode or by using the common base method. In the first figure here, there I have the use of the NPN transistor, and the second method there I have the use of the PNP transistor. So in first method you will see base to emitter junction is in forward bias, because here NPN get the negative voltage and base get the positive voltage. Similarly, your output junction, that is base to collector junction, will remain in reverse bias. I have already told you. And see in the figure, and in the figure you will see the collector, which is N negative, is connected with the positive side of the external source, and similarly base is the negative. So it is in reverse bias. And a similar case in the PNP transistor, you will see there are the connection of a PNP transistor in the CP connection. How the transistor will be connected by using the CP method or common base method or grounded base method to operate a transistor whenever it will be connected in the circuit. Okay, student? Okay? Okay. Thank you.